Osprey? Here are some interesting facts about osprey. Osprey are known for their expertise in catching fish with a success rate of up to 70%. Osprey can dive from as high as 100 feet and hit the water at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. Osprey have specially adapted talons with reversible outer toes and sharp spicules to grasp fish. Osprey build large nests on top of poles, trees, or cliffs, often using sticks and other materials. Osprey are known to form long-term monogamous relationships, with some pairs staying together for up to 20 years. Osprey migrate alone or in small groups, traveling up to 5,000 miles each way between breeding and wintering grounds. Osprey are listed as least concern, but habitat loss, pollution, and hunting have affected populations. Osprey have specially adapted feathers with tiny barbs that help reduce wind resistance.